Today's video, we're going to be showing you how to remove the bezel and trim and grill out of your scrub body Chevy. So stay tuned. You will need a T15. Sometimes these is changed to Phillips heads, but these are T15s. This is an original truck, and we got 5 screws that's holding this bezel on. One here, number 2's here, number 3's here. I said number 2. Number 4 is missing, and number 5 is here. So we're going to go ahead and remove all these bolts, and then this should pull out. I see you having fun at the shop. That one had me a little worried. It came out. Once all the bolts is out, we can remove this. Pretty simple. Just pull straight out. This has the metal OEM bezels. This bezel is going on my eBay store with the other side as a pair. It needs a little cleaning. Very good driver replacement for somebody that wants OEM parts, OEM fitment. Very good driver. Well, you pretty much could have them re-chromed too. The marker light. It's a T15 too, and it's got 2 screws on it, one on each side. Then I think it's got an 8 or a 9mm behind this lens, which we will see since I get these took out. Have you seen the screwdrivers that just power? That'd be handy right now. Uh-oh, the dog see another deer. See a cat? Oh. Cats, deers. You can tell we in Kentucky. We see a Bigfoot one day, it wouldn't be strange to me. The lens comes off. It uses these special bolts to keep up with them. We come down here, we got 2 screws that holds it on. I think a 9mm, maybe 8. I'm not sure. It's probably standard, this being an old truck, but I think my kit's just metric I got, so we'll go wait and see. I got a standard here. It's 5/16. It's too big. Next is 932. It's loose, but it bottom out. That's the main thing. You just have to be good enough. And we're going to reach in here, pull this out. Well, I was going to unplug that, so it just twists this to unplug. Well, I guess that can go with it. I'll lay it here for now. Very good eBay item here. I've been got this lens listed. My eBay store is in the description below, so if you're interested in any of these parts or just want to see what I have, check it out after the video. But these lenses, I got them listed for $24.99. They OEM. They look a little dingy here, but I cleaned the one up before I listed it, and boy is it nice. I mean, whoops, you need to go check it out. Now the grill, it's probably the same size bolts that's in your bezel unless somebody changed them. You can see right here's one, T15, and we need to find all the bolts to that. Does 2, 1, 2, 3. So I'll point them out just in a minute. Make sure we can get all those loose. Let's go ahead and open this big bad boy's hood up. T15 again, and the bolts is here, here, and here. Take the 3 top bolts out first, and then we'll look for the other ones, because there got to be more than 3 in this. Had to change the game up a little, get a skinny one to go back in here. Now this does not pull off. I'm pretty sure it's got tabs on the inside, and you have to undo them tabs once you pull all this out. I need to clean this grass up before somebody gets a foot. Oh, this is not a T15? You're kidding me. T20. Okay. Oh, that one's a T15. Huh. That's odd. So, it feels like we got a few more holding us. And I'm looking where they would be at. So I don't see how any other way it would attach. Unless it's under here. Yep. Got bolts underneath. Looks like 1, I would guess 2, 3 that holds this on. Now this piece has hip bolt on. I know it don't tab on, it probably bolts. It does, it's got brackets if you look back in here. Now it's got to come off with this piece, and that will come off. So we need to just ease up on this grill a little to get to the bolts, and then take this grill out. Once all the bolts is loose, you can press down on it, and you can see you have room to fish this out, just like so. Be gentle with them, these old grills is easy to break. Oh, this one's got 1 or 2 little grills missing, but you know, it'll still be a pretty grill for a driver, and a man could actually cut these out, probably put mesh or something behind them, mod this grill. Be really nice for like a custom truck or a daily driver, which I'm not going to use it, so it's an eBay sale, and it will be priced according, because you know it does got a little damage. If you need a grill or want to modify one for your square body, if it ain't sold, it'll be on the store. Now, that's how you remove your bezel and your grill. These on the inside, right here, you can go now, up in there, I don't know if you can see them, but they tabs. You need to remove all these tabs, get this piece of chrome here off. Same for down here. So, I don't know how many they are. Even if you need to know what size these bolts are on this chrome, it's 3/8. So take your time, because this sharp metal can cut you. But they just got these little tabs right here. And it'll come right off. Sometimes you got to, get them on there pretty good and straight, and then just twist. I don't know how many's in it. I would guess about 5 on each one. I would guess. You can comment below. Once you get everything off, this is what you got left. Not much at all, honestly. Use the 3/8 wrench and a deep well and a regular shorty socket 3/8 to get that final chrome off. Yeah, that should be some good eBay inventory. Hopefully, whoever buys this stuff, it goes on a truck that it's getting driven and it's getting used and it's getting loved. Because at the end of the day, that's what makes this enjoyable. You can take these old classic cars, or these cars been off the highway, and you can help somebody out by giving them a good deal on a price or hard to find item because you found it, and they can fix their project. It makes them feel good, it makes the car happy, or truck, and it's just a win-win for everybody. So thanks for watching. Get subscribed, hit that notification. More square body videos coming, and I'm going to have to go up here and shoo this deer off so my dog will quit wanting to tail the deer off. He's not happy with the deer. I don't know why a deer visits like every hour on the hour. I don't know why the dog just don't well, I'm fine with you, I give up. But no, he's a trooper. He keeps wolfing at that deer. You wanna bark at him again? It said no. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, there he goes.